Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity COCOMI has strongly condemned Government of India's decision to extend suspension of Operation SoO agreement with Chinkuki armed groups, terming it an anti-people movement that demoralizes the interests of indigenous communities of Manipur. In a press release issued today, COCOMI said the extension announced in New Delhi on September 4th legitimizes what it described as narco-terrorist groups despite their alleged involvement in a series of terrorist and criminal activities. The organization reaffirmed its stand to firmly oppose the extension, arguing that it runs against the will of the people. COCOMI recalled that Manipur Cabinet had on March 10, 2023 unanimously resolved to abrogate SoO, followed by resolution of Manipur Legislative Assembly on February 29, 2024, urging the centre to revoke the pact. COCOMI argued that under the current president's rule, the administration lacks legitimacy to represent the people and accused New Delhi of imposing an undemocratic decision on Manipur. The committee further alleged that continuation of SoO agreement demoralizes India's constitutional obligations and portrays Meitei population as being held hostage under narco-terrorist influence. It warned that the move would be seen as legitimizing armed groups, granting them impunity and raising doubts over India's credibility in combating narco-terrorism before international community.